Take a moment to check out the 2021 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This A220 sedan delivers a premium feel and design excellence in a svelte subcompact package. A host of standard features and a spacious, comfortable cabin add refined luxury to every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, backup camera, remote engine start, premium sound system, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat. Give yourself the luxury you've always wanted in this A220 sedan. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.